To create a smooth punch zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve, start by adding an adjustment clip. Open the Effects library, search for Adjustment Clip, and drag it onto your timeline. Place it over the end of the first clip and set its duration to how long you want the effect to last. You can set it to around 1 second. Next, open the Fusion page and make sure that the adjustment clip is selected. Now, select Media 1, then press Shift plus Space to bring up the tool search. Look for the transform effect. Select the one that doesn't have any text written in brackets. Now, add keyframes to create the zoom effect. Move to the first frame of the adjustment clip by using the arrow keys on your keyboard and add a keyframe to the zoom parameter. Then, go to the last frame and add another keyframe. Set the zoom value at 1.5 for a strong punch-in effect. To refine the animation, open the spline editor inside Fusion. Click Fit to View, select all keyframes, and press S to smooth out the motion curve. This will make the zoom feel more natural. Now adjust the graph to replicate mine. Once done, go back to the Inspector panel and switch to the Settings tab. Here, enable the motion blur and set its quality to max. Now, go back to the Edit panel and duplicate the adjustment clip and place the copy at the beginning of the second clip. Open it in Fusion, adjust the zoom settings differently. Set the first frame zoom to 0.8 and the last frame to 1. This will create a zoom out effect, making the transition seamless. To remove the transparent or black edges, go to Advanced Options in the Transform settings and change edge behavior to reflect. This helps fill in any missing areas. After that, go back to the Spline editor, enable the transform value, and then copy my graph. Once that's done, preview the effect in the Edit page. The transition should now have a clean and polished zoom in and zoom out movement, making your edits look more dynamic.